Hello everyone. So today I'm going to implement this landing animations into this root motion based locomotion system I have worked on Unreal Engine. So here there are two versions for the landing. One is just hard landing without the roll, other one is this landing with the roll. So here is the demonstration again. Here there is no roll. There is the roll. So the rolling landing is played for much higher uh, jumps like this. And yeah, let's see how to do that. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so this is my character at the moment. So when I fall down from a cliff, it just doesn't have any special reaction. So I have imported two animations. One is to do a rolling when fall down, and another one is this hard landing. So yeah, let's see how to add these animations to our root motion based locomotion system that we have worked on. And I have also upgraded the project to Unreal Engine 4.25. So yeah, alright, let's see how to do that. First let's open our character, the default pawn class third person character, and here we need another event to detect jump landing part. So we already have a default event called onLanded, right? What do we have here? Do we have anything important? No. So at the time we do this landing, let's print and see what's the value of the z velocity. We can get the velocity of the character, and I am particularly interested in this z component, that means the vertical component. So let's print and see what's the value we get here. Let's keep it for a longer time so we have enough time to okay, minus 563. And now let's have a higher platform. How to have it? Let's move this one up like this. Okay, minus 10,000. Right. Now let's create an animation montage using this hard landing, and also for this animation I'll enable root motion too, so that character will not move using the movement input at that time. Okay, now in the onLanded event, if this value is larger than, let's say, as I remember when I jumped down from here I got like minus 5 6.3. So not larger, it should be smaller. That means the velocity is downwards. Minus 500. Then let's have a branch and play any montage. The montage is this hard landing. First I need to check if I have enabled the animation blueprint to play montages. Yeah, I have. Cool. Right. It did play, but it looked a little odd. Let's see. And why did it move forward? Right, that comes from our moment stop animation, but I also noticed that the character didn't touch the ground properly. Let's check this animation in this view. Yeah, hand is not on the ground, but can I fix it in this level? Let's give it a try. At this point the hand should go to the ground, at least to the level of the foot. Okay, let's add another key. Right, now it should be fine. Let's apply and check that. In here, yeah, I think it's okay. Alright, so now what about the rolling jump, the rolling forward? So what I'm planning to do is, in a smaller jump down, I'm gonna play that hard landing, and if it is a much higher jump, let's say something like this one, let's play the rolling landing. Here the velocity is minus 1094. So here let's do another selection. If this velocity is smaller than, let's say, minus 800, if it is false, I'm gonna play this hard landing. Otherwise, let's call this fall into roll, this one. Here also I'll enable root motion and create it, turn it into a montage. So in the true, I select fall into roll montage. Right, now let's work on here. Right, okay, that works. Let's see again. Right, and And I noticed another problem. The problem is this: when my character lands and there, it stops for a second, for a moment before starting to move. So how to prevent that? So let's go here, this blend, under the blend out of this fold into roll montage. Let's increase, try something like 0.75, and let's see if that problem is fixed now. Yeah, now the transition is much smooth. We should do that for the smaller version as well. Yeah, let's try the same thing. The blend out time 0.75. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, so that's it. So here I made some test platforms to test this event. Right, here is the hard landing, the softer version, and here is the rolling version. Right, so here I'm gonna stop this episode. Right, and as always, the project files will be available for download through the Patreon page, and also I released a new episode in the third person shooter series. And yeah, if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.